Elite Professional Academy. Endeavor to achieve excellence. The leading chartered accountancy institute in the Kolhapur city, dedicated for CA coaching only. The faculties are CA Swapnil Shete, CA Swarup Amalthare, and CA Mohit Prajapati. Principle that has laid the foundation of Elite is to engage and enlighten the bright minds.
When I started my career in this course, I completed my CPT and my coaching in Kolhapur itself, and then people and my friends recommended me to go for Pune for further coaching, but I wanted to do my coaching in Kolhapur, and one of my friends then suggested me about the CPA class. Then I met sir and then I took decision to join EPA. And the result of my decision is front of you. I have cleared both the groups of intermediate in the very first attempt. And the credit goes to EPA and our three sirs. Firstly, I would like to tell about Swapnil sir. He is accurate at teaching concepts, especially in the subject like FM and taxation. The purpose of teaching is not only limited till our exams, but also we learn here how we can implement these concepts in our articleship or further when we become chartered accountant. I would like to tell about Swarup sir. Swarup sir is a synonym for motivation. He is the person to motivate me to give both groups. Then our third faculty, Mohit sir. He teaches all the theory subjects like audit, SM and law. And when it comes to theory subject, students feel bored to learn it. But when Mohit sir teaches us, it's full of entertainment plus teaching. So he also increases our stamina. Usually students can bear a theory professor hardly for 1 to 2 hours, but we used to sit in his class, in his lectures for continuous 4 to 5 hours. So this is because of his style of teaching the theory subject, I can say. I would like to recommend the students who live in Kolhapur or nearby areas for coaching for intermediate classes. You need not go far for Pune or other metro cities, but the qualitative teaching, this quality teaching you will get in this class itself. So I think EPA is the best class for intermediate.
Elite Professional Academy is known for its futuristic infrastructure and technologically advanced learning environment for students ambitious of becoming chartered accountants.
Hello friends, I am Rutuja Raibakar. I took my intermediate classes from EPA. When I passed CPT, then I was confused which coaching class should I join for intermediate. Then my friend suggested me that EPA is one of the best class in Kolhapur. After that I took admission in intermediate. Then I realized that that decision taken by me is one of the best decision. I was able to pass both the groups only because of EPA. हमें यहाँ वो सब कुछ मिलता है जो हर एक CA स्टूडेंट को पास होने के लिए मिलना चाहिए. यहाँ की फैकल्टी बहुत ही अच्छी है. हर एक सर का सिखाने का तरीका बहुत ही अलग है. स्वप्निल सर कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, तो स्वरूप सर हमें प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट सिखाते हमें एग्ज़ाम में पास होने के लिए मोटिवेट भी करते हैं. जनरली हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि थेरी इज़ इक्वल टू बोरिंग, लेकिन EPA में आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि थेरी भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकती है. मोहित सर का थेरी सिखाने का तरीका बहुत ही अलग और अच्छा है. लॉ के सेक्शंस और ऑडिट के ऐसे हम यूँ ही याद कर सकते हैं. क्लास में पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स के बाद टेस्ट भी होते हैं. इससे हमें एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए मदद मिलती है. तो मैं हर CA स्टूडेंट को सजेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि इफ़ दे वांट टू डू बेस्ट करियर इन CA कोर्स, देन दे शुड जॉइन EPA क्लास.
We use projector, PPTs for presentation. All the mentioned infrastructure is now available in Elite Academy in Kolhapur. No need to go to the bigger cities for your learning needs.
My name is Prakthan Trivedi and I am a student of CA final, and I have recently passed my CA second group intermediate in November 2018 attempt. Opportunities for CA students in tier 2 and tier 3 cities are very scarce, And me belonging to a tier 2 city, I was very thankful to EPA for providing me such opportunities, because when it comes to tier 2 and tier 3 cities, we have only two options, either to go for virtual classes or go for online classes. But EPA provided me with the solution of live classes, and I'm really thankful for them. For a CA student, studying for 8 hours in a class is not an easy task, but the sirs at EPA make it an easy task. This is because of their friendly attitude and the guidance. They guide you towards your goal and they make sure that you achieve it. So yes, I would recommend students to join EPA to achieve their success. Thank you.
Specialities of the Academy: personal attention to each and every student, regular mock tests, high technology enabled classrooms, completion of batches within time, experienced CA faculties.
Hello, this is Jayant Gorule and I have cleared my CA intermediate exams Group 1 in recently in November 18. All the credit goes to Elite Professional Academy only, because all the hard work that was required to be done was done by me only, but the teaching that was the basic necessity platform that provided was by Elite Professional Academy only. Therefore, for all the students who are going to appear in the CA examinations, I will strictly recommend them to join Elite Professional Academy.
Hello friends, myself Jyoti Kosik. We are so lucky to have teachers like you who inspire every day to become better and better. Then स्वरूप सर मेरे लिए एक मोटिवेटर के रूप में रहे हैं. सर ने हमेशा कॉस्टिंग और अकाउंट्स की प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ साथ खुद भी सोल्व की है और हमेशा टारगेट को पूरा करके ही क्लास ख़त्म की है सर ने. और स्वप्निल सर हमेशा बोलते थे कि डोंट स्टॉप व्हेन यू आर टायर्ड, स्टॉप व्हेन यू आर डन. तो सर की ये बात हमें बहुत मोटिवेट रखती थी और एक पढ़ाई का जज्बा हमारे अंदर आता था. मोहित सर की बात करें तो मोहित सर का जो वे ऑफ टीचिंग है वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है. उन्होंने लॉ जैसे थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट्स को इतना प्रैक्टिकल बना दिया, ऐसा लगा कि कोई थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट्स है ही नहीं. इलाइट प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी की एक बात मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है कि तीनों सर हमेशा पहले जो पिछला जो हो चुका है उसका एक शॉर्ट रिवीजन करवा के ही आगे का कंसेप्ट लेते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. और आज वैसे तो आजकल हम पेन ड्राइव लेके घर पे बैठ के भी पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं, बट वो कहते हैं ना कि गुरु का महत्व कभी होगा ना कम, भले ही कितनी भी उन्नति कर ले हम. वैसे तो है इंटरनेट पे हर प्रकार का ज्ञान, पर अच्छे बुरे का नहीं है हमें पहचान. और सभी कोल्हापुर में जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो उनको मैं इलाइट प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी में क्लास करने के लिए ही बोलूँगी, क्योंकि इलाइट प्रोफेशनल एकेडमी इज़ द बेस्ट एकेडमी. और हमारे तीनों सर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैं, तो शायद CA की कोचिंग बहुत ही अच्छी से हो पाएगी, तो मैं यही सजेस्ट करूँगी.
Recently, we had a felicitation ceremony where we celebrated our 7 years of excellence in CA education and success stories of our proud 20 top achievers.
So, I welcome you once again on this auspicious occasion to felicitate the students who have passed November 2018 exam.
Basically, because of your hard work, your dedication, you have achieved tremendous success, we can say, in this examination. The marks which you have scored was really outstanding.
We understand the needs of our students little more, puts us in the better place to guide and to push them forward towards their dreams and aspirations. It enables our students not only to crack their CA examinations, but also be the confident and competitive professionals for tomorrow.
Yes, I do actually. There are certain draconian subjects like IT, and I was really scared of it. But Mohit sir took very good care of it. He used to keep on revising with us.
प्रत्येकाच्यात कॅपॅसिटी असते, फक्त आमचा अनावश्यक आधार हुकून तो कट केला, त्यामुळे आम्ही आकाशात उंच उडलो. आणि नुसता अनावश्यक आधार नाही कट केला तर आकाशात उंच भरायला गेल्यासाठी पंखामध्ये सोबत या 3 लोकांनी दिले.
सक्सेसची पहिली पायरी फेल्युअर अशी म्हणतात. ते फेल्युअरची पायरीवर तुम्ही एकदा पाऊल ठेवला तर नेक्स्ट सक्सेस तुम्हाला कधी ना कधी तर मिळणारच आहे.
काहींच्या नशिबात यश असतं, काहींच्या नशिबात काही वेळा अपयश येतं, पण कोशिश करणे वालों की हार कभी नहीं होती. कोशिश करत राहावा, आपण प्रयत्न केलेच पाहिजेत. आणि जेवढं करिअर तुम्ही घडवत जा तेवढंच चांगलं. बरं, सर्वांना पुन्हा एकदा शुभेच्छा. मला बोलवलं याबद्दल सर्वांचा आभार. धन्यवाद.
I'd like to thank our respected chief guest, Mr. Hardika sir, for coming here and guiding us, not felicitating, just guiding our students. उनका जो 29 साल का जो एक्सपीरियंस है उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से 10 मिनट में उनको बताया और आपको फ्यूचर के लिए गाइड भी किया. I would like to thank you, sir, on behalf of our team. And I would like to thank my mentor, CS Swapnil sir and CS Group sir.
Elite Professional Academy. Endeavor to achieve excellence.